do you think, Barsky? Are they gonna be out there?
Oh yeah, I know they're gonna be out there. It's just whether or not they wanna come in, you know.
Right.
We're gonna give her a go. Folded him up.
Good boy. Alright. Good.
Good shot. Good shot, Riley. Oh, he's flopping out there now.
He's in the water.
Yeah, he's in the freaking water.
Is he dead?
He ain't dead.
No, he's dead. He ain't going nowhere.
Okay, then.
He's gonna flop it out.
Them other ones are just out there. What do you think?
Pretty awesome.
Good shot, buddy.
Mean mouth here, Riley.
There's the remaining group.
Where's his feet?
Grab his feet.
Where are they?
Underneath him. Reach underneath him. Grab him by the leg there.
You a big and old boy? Okay, get him all.
Where's his beard?
Oh, you blew his neck up good, didn't you? His beard, right there. Right here, Riley. That big old thing right there.
Tiny.
Better than no bird at all.
Better than no bird at all, especially in rain and snow.
How do I fan him out again?
Help him fan him out. Neat. Yeah, there you go. All right, smile for the camera.
That's
Looks good.
Deal, huh?
What do you think? You gonna do this again?
Yep.
All right.